the vibrant heart of Singapore, something truly extraordinary unfolded. Sims Place, Driver Stallholders and Shop Owners Associations, along with Kolam, Ayer, Sims Vista RC, teamed up with the sensational Chinese wind-percussion ensemble, Reverberance of Singapore. Their mission? To create history by orchestrating the largest musical flash mob ever seen and get entry in the Asia Book of Records. On that remarkable day, Sims Vista Market and Food Centre became the stage for this monumental event. A total of 98 participants, including enthusiastic members of the public, gathered to be a part of this musical spectacle. Chinese drums in hand, the atmosphere was charged with energy and anticipation. Their synchronized beats and harmonious melodies created something truly magical. This incredible Singaporean Chinese musical flash mob achievement will forever resonate as a symbol of the power of music and community.